Hi, this is Rafael, and I would like to invite you to listen to my new song, Sounds of Silence, with album SEMStation. It is available right now at iTunes, Spotify, and YouTube Music. Thank you.
Thousand people in the cold, praying to God in the night alone, walking slowly with a child, dancing in the pale moonlight. Songs we made beneath the stars, shining bright from near and far. Deep sounds of silence in the flame, calling softly out my name. We were smiling in the sun, feeling like we all were one. My lovers tell me where to go, what to do, and what to know. Nobody talks to me no more, like they vanished from the shore. Deep sounds of silence in the flame, calling softly out my name. We were smiling in the sun, feeling like we all were one. We can go back to those days, walking in the golden rays, knowing what is true inside, keeping love and hope alive. Deep sounds of silence in the flame, nothing ever stays the same. Still the moon and stars above guide us with their quiet love.